Hi everyone. Today I'll be making one of my favorite evening snacks. For that we'll need some besan flour or chickpea flour. Since I didn't have any on hand, I'm making it from scratch. I'm dry roasting 1 cup of chana dal until it turns golden and aromatic. Transfer the roasted dal into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. It should be in the consistency of a flour. If it's not, you can use a sieve to remove the lumps in it. Now prepare the plantains by slicing it into thin slices. That's how I like it. You can change it according to your preference. Soak it in some water and turmeric and set it aside for about 10 minutes. It helps to remove some of the raw smell in it. You can replace the plantains with onions or jalapenos or any other veggies of your choice. For the batter, I'm taking about half cup of besan or chickpea flour, about 2 tablespoons of rice or wheat flour. Since I didn't have any rice flour with me, I'm using the wheat flour. Add some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder to give some spice to the dish. Now add some water to it slowly until it forms into a smooth batter. The consistency should be smooth and thick enough to coat the plantains. If you're watching till now, do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more such content. Now fry the plantains and prepared plantains in oil for about 5 minutes. It depends on the thickness of your plantain, so adjust it according to it. Now you can serve this mini plantain fritters with any sauce or chutney of your choice. It's a delicious snack. Thank you.